Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to sign into your PI browser. PI Network is a unique cryptocurrency project built to make a digital currency accessible to everybody. Unlike traditional crypto mining that requires powerful computers and high electricity, PI Network allows users to mine PI coins directly from their smartphone with a simple daily tap. And to manage PI coins, access PI apps, complete KYC and use mainnet features, PI Network provides a dedicated app called PI Browser, and in this video I guide you step by step on how to sign into your PI browser safely and correctly. So first you need to open to your PI app. If it not have, so you can go to the App Store or the Play Store and you can download it from there as well and open it over here. Once you open to the PI browser, in the top left we could see there's a three-line icon. Select the three-line icon here, and from here you need to select PI browser. Here what you can do is select sign into the PI browser in the middle and select download from the App Store and simply select get in the top. And PI browser works directly with your PI Network account, so you do not need to create a new account or PI password. Simply select to continue with any of the option that you have used previously and select continue. And that is it. This is how you can open to the PI Network app and approve the sign-in request to confirm it's you. And that's it. That's how you can sign into your PI browser step by step. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you have any confusion or trouble, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.